Hi and welcome to DIY Stitching. Today, we're making two beautiful hand embroidery borders with triangle shapes and tiny flowers. It's a simple, relaxing and easy embroidery tutorial you can enjoy at your own pace. Thread your needle, tie a knot at the end, and you're ready to begin. Start by stitching triangle shapes using blanket stitch from left to right. You can download the pattern from the link in the description. If you need help transferring the design, check out our DIY printing method, also linked below. I'm using linen fabric, cotton embroidery floss, and a regular embroidery needle. Then, repeat the same triangles in reverse to create a mesh effect. Now add loops along both edges of the triangle mesh. This creates a lace-like finish. At the center of each triangle, stitch a half flower using 3 lazy daisy petals. Add a French knot in the center of each flower and sprinkle a few on the mesh for texture. Take a moment to enjoy this soft and delicate border. The triangle, mesh, loops and tiny flowers come together beautifully. Now let's stitch the second border. Create triangle shapes using cross stitches. Fill each triangle with tiny cross stitches for texture. Then, add a half flower in the center of each triangle with 3 lazy daisy petals. Decorate each petal with a small cast-on loop. And a few extra cross stitches around for detail. Add a French knot in each flower's center. And that's it. 2 lovely borders, one soft and lacy, one bold and textured. They look different, but feel perfectly balanced together. Thanks for watching and stitching along. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one, and happy stitching!